The yellow flashing light on your EE box is a crucial diagnostic indicator that tells you about the status of your connection and services. Understanding what this light means can help you quickly identify and resolve issues. As of 2025, the yellow flashing light serves as a standardized diagnostic signal across all of EE's latest hardware. This consistent system makes it easier for users to understand their device status regardless of which EE product they're using. This standardized yellow light system is implemented across EE's latest hardware lineup, including the EE Smart Hub Plus router, the EE TV Box Pro for 4K streaming, and the EE Mini Box for additional rooms. The yellow flashing light primarily indicates four main types of issues: intermittent connection problems, where the device is struggling to maintain a stable connection; authentication issues with account verification; partial service, where some functions work while others don't; or that a firmware update is currently in progress. The flash rate provides crucial diagnostic information. A slow flash of 1 to 2 seconds typically indicates network connectivity problems. A rapid flash of half a second points to authentication or service issues. An irregular flash pattern means the device has entered hardware diagnostic mode. EE devices operate on a sophisticated, multi-layered connection system. The physical layer handles the actual broadband or fiber connection. The network layer manages ISP authentication and routing. The service layer provides TV, phone, and internet services. Finally, the application layer runs streaming services and user applications. Issues at any layer can trigger the yellow flashing light. Understanding what the yellow flashing light means and recognizing different flash patterns empowers you to quickly identify the type of connection issue you're experiencing. This knowledge helps you determine whether you need to check physical connections, restart your device, or contact EE support for assistance. When your EE box shows a yellow flashing light, follow this systematic troubleshooting approach. We'll start with immediate actions that take just a few minutes. Step 1. Power cycle your device. This simple action resolves most connection issues by allowing the device to restart its network processes completely. Next, check all physical connections. Loose or damaged cables are common causes of connection problems that the yellow light indicates. While waiting for the device to boot, inspect all cable connections. Ensure Ethernet, coaxial, and power cables are firmly seated and show no signs of damage. If the yellow light persists after power cycling, move to intermediate troubleshooting. Access your router's admin panel to run diagnostic tests. Also, check the EE status page for any reported service outages in your area. Network-wide issues require different solutions than device-specific problems. For persistent issues, consider advanced solutions. A factory reset should be your last resort before contacting support, as it will erase all your custom settings. If technical solutions don't work, contact EE customer service. They can reset your service authentication, verify your account status, and refresh your connection from their end. Finally, if your device is under warranty and all troubleshooting fails, request a hardware replacement. EE typically provides next-day replacement for faulty equipment. Following this systematic approach resolves most yellow flashing light issues. Start with simple solutions and progress to more advanced steps only when necessary.